Welcome to BassMan Strikes Kayak Fishing. Sit back and watch another episode as I explore and fish lakes and rivers in Wisconsin and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, using various artificial baits and techniques. In this episode, I had met up with Hernan from Hernan's Real Game YouTube channel for a few hours of Sunday evening fishing in mid-August 2019. The lake we decided on was Beaver Lake in Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin. The lake is 313 acres in size and 46 feet deep at its deepest point. Fish species include large and smallmouth bass, pike, and panfish. We also talked to a nice lady who said they had caught a gar off their dock. The water in Beaver Lake is crystal clear with a sandy to gravel bottom. The only public access is a carry-on launch.
I want to see the power of that side scan.
It's overrated.
Wow, this water is clear.
There we go, fish on. As it turns out, this was the only bass caught in the shallows. The lake does not have a lot of structure except for docks, and very few fish were in the shallow water.
There we go. Beaver Lake largemouth.
You get hit?
I caught one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, about a 12-inch largemouth.
Wake bait?
Yeah, you know the one. I don't want anybody to hear.
The standard issue?
Yeah.
GI. The GI lure.
Academy issued. Yeah, I hit it by those that fallen tree there.
Tree?
Yep. Right there. No.
Bought some of those coffee straws to do it, but I forgot to set them up.
There we go, fish on.
There's a school of them over there. Beaver Lake, baby.
The bass were cruising around in deep water in schools, and I was basically sight fishing them as you could see the schools disturbing the water as they swam around. A fluke or swim bait cast near the schools would result in a hit almost every time. There we go, fish on. The bass seemed very plentiful, but were all about the same size. Not sure why this was, but almost every single bass swimming around in the schools were in the 10 to 12 inch range.
Over there now. Bastards.
There we go, fish on. There we go, fish on.
little one.
I ended up doing a lot of paddling to catch the schools as they moved around the lake. There we go, fish on. There we go, fish on. Oh, what do we got here? Rock bass? Rock bass. A little rocky. Thanks for watching BassMan Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.